Hi, my name is Marinus Snyman. I'm a design engineer at Newelec. Welcome to this video where I'm going to give you a quick introduction on the MA relay as well as the MA BBRTU Ethernet communication module. So the MA relay is already a well-established relay in the market, and apart from all its fancy protection features, there's two key advantages of having this relay. The one is that it's a compact relay, meaning the protection part as well as all the CTs is included in one module. So this is all you need to do your motor protection. No external CTs required. Then if we look at the hardware that the MA relay offers, it offers 4 relay outputs to control or switch your contactors. It has 5 field inputs to connect to start and stop buttons. Then it has the power supply, which offers 110 volt or 210 volt supply. We have the LED indications to show the status of the relay, whether there is a trip or a fault on the relay or whether it's healthy. Then we have the 3-phase voltage to measure that, and obviously the current, the 3-phase currents that go through the CTs. And then lastly we have RTD modules, 3 of them. 3 channels to measure the temperature on your motor. Then on top you'll see a communication configuration port. That configuration port works with one of our freely downloadable software to configure the relay, enable settings, disable settings, or change delay trip times. One of the other features of the MA relay is that it comes with external communication modules that can easily screw onto them and plug via RJ11 into the relay. So currently out in the market we have CAN bus, we have Modbus RTU, and we have Profibus. Our latest module is this one here. It's called the MA BBRTU Ethernet relay module, and this one includes 3 protocols in one. Protocols are Profinet, Modbus TCP, and Ethernet IP. It then also comes with a 2-port Ethernet switch. It acts as a switch and also used for the communication. So the switch functionality makes it easier to daisy chain to other modules onto the network. And then you have its own configuration port as well. This configuration port works with also its own dedicated software that's also freely downloadable from our website. And that configuration is used to set the different communication protocols that you want, as well as IP and other configuration settings. Okay, so another interesting feature we have on our configuration software, that is this configuration software is used for the MA BBRTU Ethernet module. That's this module over here. So this software will then connect to this port over here and do the configuration. So currently here I have selected Modbus TCP, but when you select the drop down you can select Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP, or Profinet. That's the 3 protocols that's available inside that module. So then the key feature I want to talk about is this configuration bit and word block. This is these 2 blocks over here. So the advantage of them is when we're using Modbus TCP or any other communication protocol for that matter, is some of your variables, or most of the variables, are scattered throughout the address ranges. So we came up with this configuration word and bits block to make it easier. Basically what you do, these are 20 words over here, and you have the availability to map any variable into this 20-word block, meaning all the different variables that you want to read is now nicely compacted into one block, and you can just read this block. That makes it much more easier on the PLC programming side.